Hello, if you wonder if your Apple Watch Series 10 need a screen protector, then in my opinion it actually need, because over the time, even when you actually take care of this device, you will get some scratches. Definitely, sometimes you can walk around, just hit your hand in the wall or something else. This could happen right in the normal life. Something can actually drop on your Apple Watch. So I will highly recommend you to put here some kind of the tempered glass or even the thin foil. That will definitely improve protection of the screen on your Apple Watch Series 10. So here I have, for example, the Apple Watch SE2, and I will try to show you how many scratches I can find here. Take a look. Right here, right here, right here, all around I have a lot of scratches. And also this, I just hit this into the wall, was actually walking on the stairs. So you can even put here some kind of the protection, like this case for Apple Watch. So yeah, that will be all ended. Thanks for watching.